The 10 steps to creating your very own online course. Step number 3. To get all 10 steps, simply click on sarahcordiner.com/starter kit and they will be sent straight through to you. Step number 3, how to know if your online course will sell. Hands up, who wants to create an online course that nobody's going to buy? I mean, obviously nobody. So you do want to do a few checks before you start creating your course to make sure that it's even going to sell in the first place. Now, there are a few different ways for you to check how to do that, and all of those methods are shared in my free course creation starter kit. But let me get you started with just a couple of checks that you can do. I always say to people, you want to check whether people are talking about it, if questions are being asked about it, and if it is trending. So they're the 3 things you really want to check out first. So to see if people are talking about it or asking questions about it, one place you can go is answerthepublic.com. That's a website that basically curates all of the top search queries that people are typing into Google so that you can see what it is that people are actually asking and create courses around answering those questions. But if people are asking about it, ding, you have a profitable course idea. Another place that you can check whether people are talking about your topic or asking questions about it, and therefore whether it's going to have high market demand or not, is by looking inside Facebook groups and forums. Both of those have internal search bars where you can look for the topic words or keywords around your course topic idea. Have a look at all the questions that are being asked. Not only will that double up as course content ideas for you, but it also shows you, ding, that you have a profitable course idea. Finally, to check whether it's trending or not, there's actually a free tool called Google Trends. Type it into Google, it will come up and it will actually show you whether that particular topic, keyword, search phrase is going up in search queries or going down in search queries. Now, of course, if it's going down, it's going to be telling you that probably not a good topic idea for you to pursue. If that trend is flat, which means it's evergreen, or going upwards, ding, then you have yourself a potentially profitable topic idea. If you want to find out all of the other ways that you can check whether your online course is actually going to sell before you create it, don't forget to grab my free starter kit, or even better, come and join me on Concept to Course, my 30-day course creation group coaching program, where I will help you get help you get that course out of your head and onto your very own online school and launch to the world in just 30 days. sarahcordiner.com/C2C. We'll see you there.